Hi friends, today I am discussing about similar triangles previous paper problem. Okay, go to the problem. In an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to one third BC. BD is equal to one third BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay, go to the problem. First, assume triangle ABC. Okay. After that, draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line AE perpendicular to BC. Okay. It will it bisects the it bisects the BC line or BC side. Okay. BC line or side. After that, he is giving D is a point on side BC. D is a point on side BC. So he is given one condition. What is that condition? BD is equal to one third BC. BD is equal to one third BC. Okay. This is AE perpendicular line to BC. Okay. Right. This is angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay. After draw a line AE, here we are seeing two right angle triangles. Two right angle triangles. One is ADE and another one is ABE. Right angle triangles. Right angle triangles. Okay. First take triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. According to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Hypotenuse square AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Okay. AE square is equal to AE square AB square minus BE square. What is BE? BE is nothing but BC by 2. BE is equal to BC by 2. BE is equal to BC by 2. Okay. Substitute AB square minus BC by 2 whole square. Okay. Here the equilateral triangle has three properties. First property is the equilateral triangle has three properties. First property is AB side is equal to BC side is equal to CA. Okay. Or AB by 2 is equal to BC by 2 is equal to CA by 2. Same. Okay. So here AE square is equal to AB square minus BC means I substitute in place of BC AB by 2 whole square is equal to AB square minus AB square by 4. LCM is 4. LCM is 4. So here 1. 4 in 4, 4 times. 4 in 1, 4 times. 4 into AB square, 4. AB square minus 4 in 4, 1 time. 1 AB square is equal to 3AB square by 4. 3AB square by 4. So AE square is equal to, this is equation number 1. Okay. After that, assume triangle, take the triangle ADE. Take triangle ADE. Take triangle ADE. See, triangle ADE. Okay. Okay, go to green. ADE. This is right angle triangle ADE. I separately draw here A, B, B. Okay. Right. Triangle ADE is equal to A square plus AD square. DE square plus AE square is equal to AD square. DE square plus AE square is equal to AD square. DE square plus AE square is equal to AD square. Okay, right? AE square is equal to AD square minus DE square. AE square is equal to AD square minus DE square. AD square minus what is DE? So DE is nothing but this is, suppose assume BC side. This is E, this is D. Okay. So what is DE? DE is nothing but BE minus BD. This is BE minus BD. BE minus BD we get DE. Okay. So AD square minus is DE square is BE minus BD whole square. BE minus BD whole square. Okay. AD square minus BE. BE is nothing but total BC by 2. BE is nothing but total BC by 2. In first we discussion already. Okay. BE is nothing but BC by 2. O minus BD. What is BD? BD is, this is BD. In sum, this is given BD is equal to 1/3 BC. 1/3 BC. Substitute 1/3 BC whole square is equal to AD square minus BC by 2 minus BC by 3 whole square is equal to 3BC, cross multiplication, 3BC minus 2BC by 2 into 3, 6 whole square. Okay. AD square minus, in place of BC, I substitute AB. So 3BC minus 2BC, BC. 3BC minus 2BC, BC. Okay. I substitute in place of BC, AB. AB by 6 whole square. This is equation number 2. This is equal to AE square. AE square. Okay. After that, equate 1 and 2. Equate 1 and 2. Why? Because here also A square we got the answer. Here also we got A square. So A square is equal to 3AB square by 4 we got in equation 1. Here we got AD square minus AB square by 36. AB square by 36. AD square is equal to 3AB square by 4 plus AB square by 36 is equal to, take LCM as 36. 4 in 36 9 times, 9 3 are 27 AB square plus 36 in 36 1 time AB square. So 28 AB square by 36. So in 4 here 7 times, here 9 times. Therefore 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved.